technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Stunning twist in Rahul Gandhi's vote chori saga as the BJP has now dropped a big revelation and a shocking revelation. The BJP is now accusing a foreign hand of scripting the opposition's narrative, claiming that Rahul Gandhi's international vote theft toolkit has been busted, and the BJP is now asking who is this foreign boss, pointing out to a metadata showing Myanmar's time zone and gaps in document creation, insisting that these so-called evidences weren't made in India, and warning that Rahul and Congress party are actually dangerous for the democracy. Now, certain allegations that has now been leveled, and we're going to put out that message, that post that has been now the allegations that have been put up by BJP's Pradeep Bhandari, where he has posed certain questions to this toolkit where he mentions of vote chori narrative, according to the BJP, that has now busted the Congress's claims. Let's put out that post. This is Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP in a lengthy post where he has now cited certain claims where he alleges that Rahul Gandhi's international vote theft toolkit has now been busted. Who was the foreign boss driving Rahul Gandhi's remote control? On the 7th of August 2025, Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP says that Rahul Gandhi held a press briefing shouting about vote theft and uploaded PDFs on rahulgandhi.in in English, Hindi and in Kannada. Investigation uncovers shocking facts. According to the BJP, they go on to say that these so-called evidences, these are PDF files which he has shared on Google Drive metadata that remains intact, and he has called these so-called evidences, according to the BJP, were not made in India. He says that they were created on a system set to the Myanmar time zone. Rahul Gandhi talks of democracy in danger, but his own toolkit exposes how foreign hands are scripting India's opposition narrative, as Rahul Gandhi, Congress and the entire coterie is very dangerous for democracy. So this is as far as when it comes to the PDF data file where images that has also now been shared, that has now been mentioned as MMT, and creative date and IST time that has also been mentioned here, saying that the original file that has now been mentioned, according to the BJP, they weren't made in India. So the BJP is now asking the question, who is the remote, the holder of the remote control, the foreign boss of Rahul Gandhi, calling the party and the leader as very dangerous for democracy. Let's understand this with Pragya joining us here on the broadcast. Pragya, good morning. What do we make of the allegations that are now being leveled by the BJP, the Myanmar time zone link? They say that the metadata of all of the PDF files shown actually has the mention of Myanmar time zone. These files that are exported, which reads the system clock, however, this cannot be changed. The VPN cannot change this. So what does it mean as far as these gaps are concerned, which the BJP today is raising questions?
Well, Amita, these are very grave allegations that have been leveled on Rahul Gandhi, and in fact, this is also a signaling towards a greater conspiracy against the democracy which prevails in India, and also the integrity and also sovereignty of the country. And in fact, when you talk about metadata, it is about the characteristic, and it contextualizes also the data which is other than the content, which means that it characterizes what is the author, who is the author, what is the location of the file when it is created, where it is created, what is the time, and all these digital imprint of creating a particular file, like 3 PDFs in this case in Kannada, English and Hindi. So it means that there is solid evidence as far as the creation of these files are concerned, that these have been created in Myanmar. If such a content comes from outside the country, then there is obviously questions on who is prompting this and who is behind all of this, because Rahul Gandhi through these files are attacking a constitutional institution and also one of the pillars of the democracy, which is Election Commission of India, because they are the one responsible for holding free and fair election, which is the very premises of a healthy democracy. So in a way, these are very grave allegations that have been leveled by the BJP, and not just that, they have given some evidence about this metadata, which cannot be denied at all. Now,
Yes.
Congress needs to come clean on these charges. And, they have to explain why this metadata has come from Myanmar. And they have to also come
So is
clean
there
on
a
who,
foreign, is there any evidences to suggest and to substantiate as far as the BJP now raising the allegations that there seems to be an attempt to destabilize democracy? Who's holding the remote control is the question. As to simplify, what is metadata? Metadata is data about data, where it provides descriptive information that helps to explain, to locate and to organize and manage data such as the title of a book, the author or the creation date of a file. And there are common examples that also include the author, the creation date and the file type for documents, the location and the time of the photo when it was taken. So this is as far as a common description of metadata. But how is the BJP now reacting as far as statements that are now concerned? Because now they are saying that this is the vote chori toolkit of the Congress party which has been exposed.
राहुल गांधी जी को विदेश ज्यादा पसंद है, विदेशी ज्यादा पसंद है, ये बात तो सबको पता है। जब देश में उत्तर भारत में फ्लड्स आते हैं, पंजाब हिमाचल नहीं जाते राहुल गांधी, मलेशिया चले जाते हैं। पर क्या अब राहुल गांधी के एजेंडे, राहुल गांधी के बातें, राहुल गांधी की जो सारी की सारी अटैक है, वो भी क्या विदेश से ही उनको मटेरियल मिल रहा है इसका?
So when we speak of